Hello and welcome to another installment of the Long Island Street Mechanic. Today we're going to be replacing an accelerator cable on my 1997 Chevy Blazer. So here we go. This is the accelerator cable that snapped. This went into the back of the gas pedal at the top and hooked in. It snapped off of there. This is the old style. And this hooks up to the throttle body. This is the part number. They told me it was discontinued, but I searched around and I found it. This is the part number 1515-1057. That's the part number. So they say this is discontinued and they have a replacement part here. So this is the new part number 15733071. A little bit more information, but basically it's almost the same, but it doesn't have the two hook-ins. It's just one. But this is the replacement right here, and they're about the size roughly. So now we're going to go over to do the install. So this is the vehicle in question, a 1997 Chevy Blazer. It has 74,000 miles on it. The V6 Vortex engine. Pretty much this section here, that's the hole where the accelerator cable comes out of. It runs underneath and it comes underneath the air filter. You have to disconnect the air filter and it comes up and snaps here and right here, and it hooks around here. You roll this forward and it goes into this little hole, which I'll show you later. See that? That's where you got to come out of. And then it hooks right into the top there. So here we are. The cable is through. The clips are in place. The top is in. Everything is hooked up. Very, very simple to install. You just have to get down on your knees and crawl up underneath the dash. And you got it made. Now you see it's coming out the firewall, and it's just a matter of putting the clip place. Everything back with the factory, everything lined perfect. Pops right in. Oops. Bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. So basically, you gotta slide in like this. And it clicks right in. Put that under here. Now it's tough for me to do it with one hand, so I'm holding the phone. I'm going to pick that up, slide that in the slot, and then it rolls back and it should be snug. So, with everything buttoned up and back in place, gas pedal's working again, we're going to start her up. Hit the gas. Perfect. there you have it. The install on the 1997 Blazer accelerator cable. So when the dealership tells you that the part is discontinued, there's another part that replaces it. So you really got to do your homework. So you see the part numbers at the beginning of the video and you'll figure out the rest. So long for now. This is the Long Island Street Mechanic. And remember to do it yourself.